Welcome to Manthra Software Services. We are a TMMi Level 5 certified company that delivers top-quality testing solutions. This video on SAP automation testing using the TOSCA Automation Tool. Agenda. First, Test Scenario 1, SAP Materials Management, create from purchase requisition to goods receipt based on quotation price. Second, Test Scenario 2, SAP Materials Management, verify the purchase receipt with goods receipt. Third, TOSCA project workflow. Fourth, demo of automation execution. Fifth, auto-generated test reports using the TOSCA tool. In Manthrasoft, automation testing projects using TOSCA, we follow the process from gathering requirements in the requirements section to managing the test case object-based page-wise module in the module section, and preparing the test case template in the test case section. Maintain test data in the test case design section, execute in the execution section, and generate reports. First, log into SAP. And then, create a quotation from the purchase requisition. Based on the validated price, approximately the net price, create the purchase order and then the receipt of the goods. Verify all input data in the purchase order with the receipt of the goods. Log into SAP. Based on the created purchase order, make a goods receipt. Verify the receipt of the goods against the appropriate purchase order values. Requirements for the Material Management Module test cases in SAP are prepared in the Requirements section in TOSCA. We can track test case development progress, automation test execution progress, and the results updated in the Requirements section in TOSCA. The Requirements section in TOSCA displays an analysis of the automation test progress. The objects are saved page-wise in the reusable folder under the Module section of the TOSCA Automation Tool related to the project. Maintaining each object or screen is more useful when changes in the application can directly identify the screen or page, allowing elements to be added to the respective page. TOSCA offers the option to create a test case with normal test steps or a test case with a template by mapping a test data sheet to the template and instantiating it. Depending on the condition, we can execute the test steps at the folder level, test case level, or test step level in TOSCA. We can maintain a reusable library of test steps that we will use in many places in test cases. Test data sheets are maintained based on the test case template. We can also store test data values in the class, which is considered reusable. Each test sheet can have many linked classes, allowing us to create multiple instances of test cases to use various combinations of test data. In this execution section, we maintain all the executables mapped to requirements. Now, we will execute a demo to show how execution occurs with TOSCA using a test scenario. Number 1, Material Management create from purchase. Requisition to goods receipt based on quotation price and test scenario 2, SAP verify the purchase receipt with goods receipt. Demonstrating how to extract a summary and detailed report using the TOSCA tool after execution is completed in the TOSCA Automation Tool. Reports can be customized as per the customer's requirement, and the current report is generated with Manthra software customized reporting template. The execution summary offers a high-level overview, detailing the number of test cases executed, their pass or fail status, and the percentage of scenarios that passed or failed. The pie chart provides details on the number of test cases that pass or fail during test execution. The execution summary provides details on the number of test cases executed, indicating their pass or fail status, along with the names of the test cases and their corresponding results. The execution details table provides details on the number of test cases executed, their pass or fail status, and the percentage of scenarios that passed or failed. Provides details on the test case name and execution time, and the logged-in user. The detailed report documents each step's actions, complete with screenshots for each scenario separately in a detailed manner. We can verify each step with the given input data, obtaining auto-generated values and verification steps with a screenshot in a detailed report. The error message for the failed steps can also be easily identified by obtaining the error message for that step along with a screenshot. Thank you for watching this video. You can put your comments below. For more details, contact us at services@manthrasoft.com or get your free trial today, manthrasoft.com/free-trial.